Looking to make learning fun and interactive? Introducing Pixel Art Activity, the Google Sheets add-on that turns educational exercises into exciting pixel art puzzles. It's perfect for teachers who want to bring creativity and engagement into their digital classrooms. First, I'll show you how students will use a pixel art activity. Second, I'll walk you through how to create one. Third, I'll show you how to set it up in Google Sheets, with a bonus offer at the end to help you get started quickly. Here's how it works. When students open their copy of the pixel art activity in Google Sheets, they'll see a blank grid in the center, surrounded by 10 questions on each side. As students answer the questions correctly, the sheet gradually reveals parts of a hidden image. The more correct answers, the more of the pixel art mystery is revealed. It's a fun, gamified approach that keeps students motivated and makes learning more enjoyable. Creating your own pixel art activity is quick and simple. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. Then, open the Pixel Art Activity sidebar from the Google Sheets Extensions menu. Follow these steps. Step 1. Customize a list of 20 questions and answers, whether it's math, science, language arts, or any other topic. Keep the answers concise, like a number or a single word. Step 2. Select a pixel art type. Step 3. Paste an image URL. The image needs to be in PNG or JPEG format. Finally, click Create Activity. And just like that, your custom questions and image are transformed into a pixel art puzzle, turning any subject into an interactive learning experience. Installing Pixel Art Activity is a breeze. Just follow the link in the description to the Google Workspace Marketplace, click Install, and follow the on-screen instructions to allow the extension to create pixel art activities in Google Sheets. Once installed, you'll find Pixel Art Activity in the Extensions menu of Google Sheets, ready to use. And for a limited time, we're offering a free Pixel Art Math worksheet to help you get started right away. This fully functional sample is perfect for introducing your students to pixel art activities. The link is in the description. Just make a copy and give your students a fun and engaging activity they'll love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more free templates and classroom tools. Let's make learning fun with Pixel Art Activity.